Yan, done na guys. Ayan, ang ating pork ribs. Guys, ayan, mag-i-steam ulit ako guys ng pork ribs. Ayan, hahaluan natin ng tausi, ayan, tsaka pagsasamahin natin ito, ayan, kagaya ng, ayan, steam natin guys, i-mince muna natin ang garlic at tsaka ito, lagyan natin ng konting salt, ayan, more chicken, guys ng 10 minutes. Ayan. Yan, done na guys. Ayan, ang ating pork ribs.